I'm ordering a new boat and will be heading to my local dealer to negotiate pricing as soon as I finalize a few things. The big decisions are made: the specific brand and model of boat, the electronics I'm going with, and the outboards. My main engine will be a Yamaha F300 with a 25-inch shaft, and my kicker engine will be a Yamaha 9.9. A few questions still remain. I need to select engine controls for both outboards, and secondly, I need to pick my gauge package. On the Yamaha website, there is a useful tool found under the Rigging tab. Look for the blue Rigging Component Selector and click on it for a drop-down menu that makes it easy to review Yamaha control and gauge options. For me, side-mounted mechanical controls are best, so I'll go with the 6x3 flush mount control right side for both engines. For gauges, I'm going with the digital round tack. I'm also going to order switch panels for both engines and add the optional digital round speed and fuel management gauge to monitor both speed and fuel consumption. Now here's the best part. Before I head to my dealer, I'll print a copy of these Yamaha recommendations to ensure my boat is rigged to my specs. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.